Hello, and welcome to another shave review video. Today we're going to be doing something that not too many folks have reviewed too awful much, and I'm kind of surprised. We're going to be looking at Wet the Face Modern Barbershop today. The scent description says clean, sharp finish, sweet aftershave, combination of aromas, aromatic spices, orange zest. So that's what the notes are, and to my nose, this it just reminds me of a good, clean scent. There's not really any other way to describe it. You have to smell it for yourself to get your own take on it, but it's just a very nice, calm, clean scent. It kind of calms me down. It makes the shave process very much enjoyable like any other soap. But very nice smelling soap. And then for the aftershave, we're going to use the matching Splash Aftershave. Hardware today, I only have about 1 day's worth of growth, so we're going to go with the Rex Ambassador razor with a feather blade, and we're going to use it on a setting 2. And then for the brush today, we're going to be using the West Coast Shaving Infinity brush. This brush has got to be probably one of the best to do these soaps this way, because this particular soap is a fairly soft one. If you can see inside here, it's a crope leaning towards the cream side, so it's more of a kind of a creamy crope, I guess. Get the cap back on there. And then to lather up, we're going to be using the Captain's Choice bowl, and I've already got the soap in there, ready to go. And all right, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to wet the face. The water will warm up a little bit. Okay, go ahead and get the brush a little bit wet here. Okay, shake out most of the water there. Squeeze a little bit of the contents into the bowl. Like Mr. Youngner, I'm going to try to do it his way today. And here we go. We're going to go ahead and try to whip up a good lather. I presume this will be no problem with this brush. I've used this brush this is the third time now. And every single time I've been very, very impressed with how this brush has been working. And the scent is just blossoming up right now. Tap that down a little bit, get rid of some of those bubbles. Okay, we're almost there. And just to show you what this looks like, I'm going to go ahead and get all that lather. This stuff makes a monster lather. These Wet the Face soaps do a great job. And I've still got some more left in the bowl if I need it. And we got peaks going here. Whoops, excuse me. Very much so. All right, take some of this excess and put it on my face. All right, and here we go. We're going to go ahead and lather up best we can without me getting it all over myself. This soap smells very, very nice. Save some of that lather before I get it in my shirt. All right, still got plenty left over. All right. Goodness, lather everywhere up in my nose. Okay, go ahead and wet our brush. All right, now off we go. Very nice glide. This soap is very slick. All right, so far so good. Hope everyone is having a good Monday so far. I believe we're at 46 days now until the big shave's west. All right. See how we did. Wow. Goodness. All right. Well, that works. I'm going to do one more pass though. But man, that was a great first pass. Wipe that off a little bit and wet the face again and do it all over. That is a very efficient shave, especially after just a day's worth of growth whenever your hair is pretty prickly. Using a sharp blade on an adjustable and dialing it down to one of the more milder settings makes for a great efficient shave. And I think I'm going to keep it, I have it on a setting 2 right now. I think I'm going to keep it on there. All right, not too big of a mess that time. Okay, wet the razor again. I think I'm gonna actually dial it up just a touch, just a half a notch. All right, there we go. Very happy with this so far. Nice shave. Very nice. Okay. Mr. Youngner, great job on your soaps. I'm looking forward to getting your Perfect Cup soap here. Very good. Okay. Try to be as gentle. As gentle as I can with a feather blade, nonetheless. Okay, now I'll go this way. Very nice. All right. Okay. Very good. And as you can see, I have a weeper. And that's okay. That's why there's alum and witch hazel. Okay. All right, pretty good. I'm going to stop there. Cold water now. All right. Very nice. All right, use some witch hazel here. Oh man. Kind of air dry my face just a little bit there. All right. There we go. And we're still weeping a little bit. We're going to go ahead and bring out the alum block on this. Wait on that to dry for a minute. Okay. Man, that was a great shave, and look at this lather. I've still got a ton left over if I wanted to do just a couple more passes. What mind you, but only 2, I think, for today. My face didn't burn too much with the alum block, but it burned right here where I had those cuts. So we're just gonna stop for the day right there. All right, here we go with the matching splash. All right. All right. Well, thank you everyone for watching this video. I know last time I said I was going to try to get to the which one's pink, but I don't know, my mood changes every day. So for next time, we'll just see what happens for that day, and I'll pick accordingly. Thank you everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great shave.